Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be flying the Eachine Novice 4, and this is actually my very first time flying the Novice 4 and my very first time flying FPV in general, so it'll be a pretty good flight to say the least. I don't really have too much experience. I have some experience on just drone simulators on the phone and on the PS4, but I've never flown FPV before in my life. The only drone I've flown before is like the DJI Mini. So the reason why I got this package is because I'm brand new to FPV. I don't really know too much about the hobby, and I know there's a lot to know about the hobby in general. So I wanted a kit that just came with everything all in one package, and this checks off all my boxes. So this comes with everything you need ready to fly. It comes with the drone, batteries, battery charger, it comes with the radio, it comes with the goggles right there. It comes with everything you need right out of the box to go flying. So I'm going to be flying it. I'm going to be showing you the view through the goggles there. There's a micro SD card in the goggles, so I'll be showing you that. And then after my first flight, I'm going to put on, I have the caddx orca, so I'm going to put on that and show you guys what it looks like through that. But I mean, hopefully I don't crash it. It's the very first time me flying it, so we'll see how that goes. Alright, so goggles are on. I'm going to push record on them. Okay, should be recording. I'm gonna set the drone right over here. I charged it up. It comes already charged but not fully out of the box. So I just topped up the voltage there. Gotta make sure I know what's the switch is. Okay, here we go. Alright, and we're off. Very first FPV flight. So far it feels good. Let's do a little flip. Alright. So I'm by quite a bit of metal here. There's like a chain link fence. I don't know if that's going to affect the signal quality at all. But right now I'm just cruising, just seeing what this little thing can do. Keep in mind, this is my very first FPV flight, so I don't want to go like too crazy, but let's see here. Do a little backflip. Let's do another roll. What I've noticed so far about it is that it's really what's the word I'm looking for? Really acts to your commands really well. Like if I do a roll, I can do it very fast here. So let's see. Let's zoom by us right here without hitting the light. And there's a whole bunch of info on the screen. So we got 7 GPS satellites. This is a GPS FPV drone. Bottom right, you can see our flight time over there. In the bottom middle, you can see how far away from home we are, and it shows the arrow. So right now I'm 80 meters away from myself. Top, it shows latitude, longitude. Air mode, which is acro mode, so it just shows all that. It shows the voltage at the bottom left. And let's see, it's a pretty nice day. It's not too windy out. Nice fall day. Let's go see this field over here. So that's my old high school over there, which is pretty cool seeing it from above over here. Let's do a couple flips. Yeah, so far I'm liking it a lot. I don't know if this cutting out is because I'm close to this metal or not, because it shouldn't be cutting out that much. Maybe it should, I don't know. I'm new to the hobby still, so like I said, don't know too much about it. Alright, so I just mounted the caddx orca to it, so we got that going. So I'm going to be showing video feed through both at the same time, and we'll see how it flies with this. This is the first time ever trying to fly it with this. I don't know if it'll be too heavy to fly. I don't think so, but we'll see. Alright, let's go fly it. I'll record on the goggles too. And I don't have any satellites locked onto just yet, but I think I'll be alright. Alright. So, off the bat, it definitely feels a bit slower, but still pretty good. I'm going to go over to my car in the parking lot and we'll see how that looks. Okay, let's see here. I got my red 4Runner in the parking lot right there. Try to drop down it without losing signal. There it is. Okay. Now let's try to just fly smoothly over along the path here. Go into the sunset. It looks pretty nice through the goggles, so I can just imagine what it looks like through the caddx right now. Go up around the light pole here. Let's do a little backflip. Pretty fun. I like this a lot. Do a little barrel roll. Hopefully my job of rigging the camera onto the drone will stay. Hopefully I'll have the camera when it gets back. I'm sure I will. Let's go up, explore the top of this light pole here. It's just so cool. It's so different wearing the goggles and like experiencing it like this as opposed to just looking at your phone screen through the DJI Mini and stuff like that. It's a lot different. I like it. Let's do a little flip. I want to get really good at this and do like cinematography with the drone. I think that'd be a lot of fun. Alright, let's go. Let's see if we can hover it in front of the camera over here. Alright, there I am right there. Let me wave. Hello, hello. Let's see if we can hover right behind my head so it gets me and the drone in frame here. Still got to work on my flight skills, but not too shabby. Alright, let's have some more fun in the field. Let's do some more flips. These poles are fun to play around with. So I haven't crashed it yet, which I'm surprised, but I'm sure I will soon, because they always say that beginner FPV pilots, they always crash a drone, so we'll see when that comes. It's looking super good in the goggles when it's not cutting out. This is awesome. Let's go to the parking lot again. Let's go down near my Forerunner. See, it's cutting out a lot more. It's going behind a lot of trees in the building. There it is. It's pretty nice. Let's go along this path again. Let's see how low we can get to. Yeah, that sunset looks good. This is sick. I can see why it's so addicting, FPV, because this is so much fun, and this is only my... Oh! Alright. I almost had my first crash right there. Got a bit too close to the tree. That's okay. Oh, we're still up, we're still flying. I can hear something vibrating around in there, so I think maybe one of the antenna straws got loose and it's just hitting against one of the propellers. I'm not sure, but yeah, let me land it back, investigate, and then we'll go fly it again before we drain this battery completely. Land it right next to me. You want to see what was making that noise? If we focus in on this, there was a little branch just stuck right here. That's it.